everybody.
What's up, guys? We are here from Premium Mortgage, and we want to talk to all of you who are looking to be a first-time home buyer in 2021 or even the beginning of 2022. My name is Ryan.
And I'm Neil.
And we are a local brokerage that focuses on helping people with the initial steps of getting qualified. A lot of people, they'll call and they'll say, hey, I don't qualify, and I don't know why I don't qualify, and the last person I spoke to won't even help me. What we focus on is helping you understand where in the process you are. Some of you may call us as a first-time home buyer, and you qualify out of the gate. We're going to help you get that pre-approval, we're going to hand you off to a realtor, and we're going to help you get that first house of your dreams. Others, we're going to have to show you where in this process
Step
you
by
are.
step.
We're going to hold your hand, as Neil always likes to say, and we're going to teach you what you need to do. Some of you may have to work on credit. Some of you may have to work on budget. Some of you just may need a little bit more time to save up some more money. Whatever the case is, whatever your situation is, we are going to help you. All you need to do is click the link below, fill out the form, and we're going to help enroll you into one of our next classes of being a homeowner or a first-time home buyer. So fill out the information below, and one of us will reach out to you guys.
And we won't even pull your credit in the beginning.
Exactly. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, click the link below, and we'll get you signed up. Thanks, and have an awesome day.
And stay safe.